On September the 4th at 4:35 a.m. there was an earthquake in Christchurch.
When it was light, everyone got out of bed to see what happened.
The police and the army blocked off the roads to keep everyone safe and unharmed.
At a petrol station in New Brighton, a big block of concrete came up on the surface.
This is the damage caused by the earthquake.
This is the place where the first earthquake happened.
As you have seen, most of this building has been knocked down.
These people have come down to see this damage on the bridge.
The vibration of the earthquake caused the ground to liquefy. This is called liquefaction.
These people are cleaning their driveway full of sludge.
This car has been crushed by bricks.
This is a huge gap in the ground leading to a creek.
This car is totally destroyed by fallen bricks.
If you want to help, you can donate money to the Red Cross Earthquake Appeal. Thanks for listening.
Goodbye.